Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmic Soul Wonderland, and if you can't tell, we're getting extra Christmassy here. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already and tap the bell. What we're gonna do today is a basic Christmas look. Green eyes, red lips, let's do this. Just so you guys know, I am live streaming at the same time I recorded this YouTube video, so that's why I'm all talkity, but it was not important anything I was saying to my live stream followers, so I went ahead and muted this process. So if you see my mouth moving a lot, don't worry. I would leave it in if you needed to know. Anyways, we're gonna keep going. I'm also singing, listening to music, and just chit-chatting away. Unimportant, disregard my chattery lips. So I wasn't really thinking, this is my first time using a green screen in my entire life, and while I love it, I can't believe I didn't realize that if I did green eyeshadow that my eyelids would disappear. So I had to go ahead and get rid of the green screen background image and just use the green screen, which it still works because it's Christmassy. But yeah, we had to say goodbye to the fancy Christmas tree background for a little bit. It will come back when I do the lips just because my eyes are not in frame. But I was actually pretty disappointed that it did that. I thought there would be a setting I could click on my eyelids or the makeup container and reverse that. I don't know. I'm still learning and figuring it out, you guys. If you have any tips for me, definitely leave them in the comment section because like I said, this was my very first time using the green screen and I did my best, and I'm actually very disappointed and sad that I couldn't do the green screen effect for the entire video. But anyways, so if you're wondering, where'd the Christmas tree and the ornaments go? It was a green screen effect, and I mean, you really seriously, my eyelids disappeared, like legit, like gone. Gone. It was hilarious. Let me show you what was happening so you understand. It's too funny, but it literally, like, I've been doing this video for 3 hours editing because I'm trying something new. And I hit a lot of brick walls and had to search for instructions and do my best. And while it's fun, it's also frustrating, but I'm excited to use this in the future. I will just remember, do not use green makeup if I'm gonna be using the green screen. So that's a good tip, and I will keep that in mind. But like I was saying, let me show you what was happening, which is why we had to say goodbye to the green screen. Where are my eyelids? They're gone. Ghosted. So yeah, that's pretty bad, you guys. Pretty bad. Now you understand what I was saying.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous. Enjoy the Christmas season. I know Christmas is not here yet, but it's on its way and we can all enjoy it, right? Christmas all year round. I know there's people out there, maybe you watching, wish that it was always Christmas. So here's a new makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do this green eye and red lip look. This is one of my Christmas shirts that I got, and this is what inspired me to do this makeup look. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am looking fierce. I love this look. Oh my god. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye.